you willing to work out a deal if I take a bunch?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Can I start taking stuff out?
Yeah.
Cool. What percent are you okay with? Are you okay with like 80%?
I want to be at 85, ideally.
85?
Yeah.
Hey, we'll do a flip around
figure it out.
in the 80 to 85 range.
I
All
need
right.
dice rolls.
I'm down for that too. That's a D-Gen thing.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Cards I would like. Arceus.
You can't include these. These are my friends.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, I'm good on those.
Yeah.
Arceus. I'll take these three. Why
Yeah.
not? With the sticker.
Yeah.
Sequential. Pikachu. God Pack Pikachu. Why not?
Yeah.
This Jolteon's cool. Do you have like multiples of those?
I have more of those than those.
More non-sequential sets?
Yeah.
I'll take non-sequential sets.
Yeah.
Okay, so far, I like these. Out of this display, do you have non-sequential of these, or is it all sequential?
It's only sequential.
Okay.
Yeah.
Out of here, I would like this Pikachu, Blaine's Arcanine.
Yep.
How much of these do you have? Just one?
No, I have more.
Only sequentials?
No, this one's a non-sequential. I have the sequential there.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't really care about. Do you have like non-sequentials?
Yeah, it's those. I have. Let me think.
I mean, as long as you're not charging a premium, because I just want the slabs. I don't really care if it's sequential or not. Espeon and Umbreon. Bang, bang. Do you have any multiples of these, like these trainers?
No, that's my last one.
Last ones?
Yeah.
Are you firm on Latias? 1400? Last sold's like 1100 and 1200.
I'd be firm there.
Firm at.
I'd best leave that out.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about the Vmax Climax Evolutions? Do you have a lot of those or just that one set?
I have a few of those. So I have maybe 3 sets on me today.
I'm interested in those too.
Okay.
Okay, I'll take them all. So those are the Vmax Climax Evolutions.
Yeah.
These are the V-Star Universe Golds. I like those. What else we got? Espeon, Umbreon, Blaine's Arcanine, Sabrina, Misty. That's a beautiful card. Red's Challenge, Japanese tag teams. I think we're at like, I don't even know. This looks like at least 3K so far from this table.
You got 6 sequential sets of the gold.
I'll take them all. As long as you just don't tax me like for sequential stuff. I just want the slabs. Your call.
Yeah, market on the sequentials will be like between 275 and 300.
Okay.
I sold
Okay.
I sell so many of them, man.
All right, let's do an interesting spread. All right, so we got 1 set of golds, 2 sets of golds, 3 sets of golds from V-Star, 4 sets of golds, 5 sets of golds, 6 sets,
I just buy what the people like.
7 sets. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I'll let you do that.
What is that? 6 sets so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10.
9 sets of V-Star Universe Gold Secret Rares. That's crazy. So we're at 2905 market so far.
That sounds right. I'm just writing it down.
Yeah, no worries.
I'll add it on my end soon.
170 market for these 3?
Yeah.
That's fair?
Yeah.
170 there. See the other stuff, I think this is closer to like 180 or 2, no?
I'd be at 200 on that.
200 market? Okay. 200 on that. This, what are we at, like 580? There was 550 to 600. Sorry, 550 to 590 were comps.
Yeah.
580, okay?
580.
Plus 580. Espeon and Umbreon, I'd say 5 and 2. I'd say 700 market.
I'd want to leave that out then.
What do you at on this?
I'd be much higher just because it's so hard to source.
Like
mid-ball.
approximately.
Like 250.
Market?
Yeah.
750 market, cool?
Yeah.
All right. 750. All right, we're at 4605 market. We're at 4935. What else? We're at 5455 so far.
Okay.
This we agreed to 150, right?
Yeah.
150 on Blaine. Arcanine. We're at 5605.
Yeah.
Sightseer, you said 900?
Yeah, 900.
So 125 times 3 is 375?
Yeah.
Plus 375 for 3 sets of the Evolutions from Vmax Climax. Oh boy. Last but not least, couple Pikachus. What is that, like 130? At 80%, it's like 6,100.
6128.
Yeah, that's 80%. Want to flip 61, 62?
I would do
61, 62?
I would do a 62, 63 coin flip.
6,200, 6,300 coin flip.
Or dice roll, actually.
Dice roll?
Yeah, evens odds.
Dice roll. So highest number wins?
No, evens odds. You just call whether the combined number is evens or odds.
And you just roll it once, or do I roll? Or
I roll it. I'll roll it. You call it.
You want to do that, or do you want to do high roll?
We both call a number.
What?
We both call a number.
No, basically we both roll. Whoever rolls the highest number wins.
Oh,
Or we can
yeah.
do low roll.
We'll just do evens odds.
Evens odds?
Same, just one. But yeah, 62 or 63?
All right, let's do it. 6,200, 6,300 dice roll. You rolling it?
Yeah, I'm rolling it. You just call it evens or odds.
So if I say evens and the sum is even,
yeah.
then I get
So if it's
62.
Like 8, then you get 62. And then if it's odds, that's an example.
All right, let's do it. Should I go evens or odds? What do you think? It's only $100 bucks.
Yeah, it feels safe.
Pick evens or odds? Huh? Odds? You said we're gonna go odds.
Okay.
It's odds. 6,200.
6,200.
6,200. What is this? Like 50 slabs? Probably.
A lot.
Maybe.
It's a lot. A lot.
Your name was?
Jason.
Jason. Thank you, bro.
Nice to
What's your
meet
name on Instagram?
Slow down, thank you. Exactly how it's spelled.
Is it like a Pokemon page?
It's like my personal. It links to my eBay, but I don't really post Pokemon.
Okay, I was gonna tag it in the video if you want. All right, well, Jason would slow down. Bang, 7,000 plus cards or slabs value, 6,200. Let me PayPal you out, bro. You want to do a deal? Little quick deal. I only got like 30 minutes, but Vaporeon, Glaceon.
At what percentage?
I'll just give you an offer, bro. I wish I came earlier. I got like 30 minutes left. Vaporeon and Glaceon, say 450 or 500 flip. Market's like 520.
Yeah.
You want to do it?
Sure.
Yeah? You want me to throw or do you want to throw?
I'll throw. Or
You throw?
I'll call it.
What was your name?
it?
What was your name? Nick? Arvin, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
All right, so Vaporeon Vmax and Glaceon Vmax, flip 450 or 550.
Cool.
I throw, you call?
Yeah.
Ready? In the air, call it.
Tails.
He's going tails. Hey, you got it right, bro.
Dang.
Congrats.
Loaded.
Balls! Appreciate you, bro. Let me pay you out. What's up, man? How you doing? Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I
Thank you.
shouldn't tell you, but yeah.
Hey, that doesn't mean I'm not gonna be in a coin flip, bro. I'm not taking it easy on you just because you said that. Are you willing to do a deal? A little deal if you want. If you want, your call. Cards I'm interested in are Moltres, Sylveon. Let me see. Moltres, Sylveon Vmax, and Glaceon Vmax, and maybe Umbreon Vmax. If you're willing to give me a deal,
Yeah.
good flip.
This one I can't do too much on a percentage.
Okay.
So I can do these three just because I have dupes.
Okay.
This one I'm like honestly hoping for like trade baby. For like.
I feel
trade
you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'd say 300 plus 250 plus 300, 850 market. 7 or 750? No points. Like
720, 760.
sure. I keep the guards.
Yeah.
All right, sweet. You want to throw or do you want me to throw?
I'm gonna have the first is horrible. You have my wife flip it. You call it.
Sure. I'm down. All right, 720, 760, Glaceon, Moltres, and Sylveon. She's recording it. You're like, no, I want you to throw it.
I'm gonna flip it.
All right. Throw it high. I'm gonna go tails. If I win, it's 720. Uh-oh.
Tails.
Goated, balls. 720. I appreciate you, man. Cards I'm interested in are Flareons and Vaporeons and the Charizard. 5 cards.
How much?
I would be at. You guys take PayPal? Friends and family? Zell's fine too. So 480 plus 400 plus 140. 8 or 850 flip?
You said, so all 4 of these?
Yes, 4 plus that one. 800 or 850. You want to flip? Coin flip?
I'll probably be at 900.
You want to do 850 or 900? Flip? I think that's fair. Start at 85%.
All right, sure.
Is that cool?
I got those at I got them early.
All right, sweet.
I got some.
So, can I see them, the Vaporeons and the 5 slabs? What was your name? Jesus. Nice to meet you, man. All right, 5 slabs. 2 Flareon VMAXs, 2 Vaporeon VMAXs, and the Charizard Altart. Coin flip, 850 or 900. You want to throw or do you want me to throw? Or do you want her to throw?
Neither.
You want to throw it?
Yeah.
All right. I'll call it or do you want to call it? Doesn't matter to me.
You can call it.
I'll call it? All right.
I haven't been recording forever.
Okay.
I'm going tails. So 850 or 900. Let's go. Tails! Your lady let you down, and now your lady let you down. I'm just kidding. I appreciate you. All right, 850. It's okay. This will bring you guys closer together.
Yeah.
I told them a Charizard was okay.
Hey, that makes up for it, bro. This is only 50 bucks.
Yeah, it's not.
It's like a couple burgers nowadays. It's nothing. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Oh, no. No way you packed up.
Yeah, you too. Who are you?
Where are your slabs at?
I'm a buyer. I go walk around. I go do
He's a civilian.
I was about to say that's
He's a
civilian,
civilian.
bro. I was just showing goodbye, bro.
Yeah, good.
That's good, bro.
You got anything?
I got to talk about me. We got a flight.
I knew it. I messaged you on Instagram last night. You didn't check your Instagram. I did.
Did you?
Yeah, I said, when's your flight today?
No way.
Yeah, I did.
I did check my Instagram.
You're ignoring me now, bro.
Oh. Well, I don't always check it. Wait, you didn't send anything.
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
Ah, you're too popular now, bro.
Yeah, that's wild. I actually didn't see it.
You want to whip out like 3 slabs for fun?
Which one?
Some $200-$300 all-stars. I don't care.
Someone bought all my all time.
You don't have anything?
I
Like-
probably have like some small ones.
Anything like this?
I don't have any big ones. I have like under 100. It was actually a pretty good show. And I bought a bunch of
I
stuff.
got here at like 3:40, bro. And I've already spent like 15K.
Really?
Yeah.
I spent a lot. There's a guy who had like a 100K collection, but he sold a lot of it at Burger King. I got a poncho box. You want to flip for that?
Which one? Orange?
Ah.
You bought it from someone?
I traded.
Hello. What's it worth?
It's like 4 at 45.
The orange one? Isn't the poncho like 3K? 3,200?
No, it shot up.
know,
42
yeah.
and 36.
For the orange?
Sorry, I
What? That thing was like 2,800 at one point.
know.
Are you buying or selling this?
Fine.
How much?
So don't worry about it.
6 grand?
Did I say 6? I meant 6 cows.
That card is $6,000?
So he
It used to be like
I was gonna
4.
sell it to Dylan, but he.
And you just paid 6K?
The last one sold for 66.
But you're
That's why
printing.
He was gonna sell it 6, but
Get this on camera. Bubble Store swindling other vendors.
No, I'm helping other vendors. Look at that. That means you owe me a hookup for the next one.
Bro, you could get 7,000.
You just have to.
Hey, mama, your son doesn't want to do a deal with me.
He always does it.
Hey.
Bro,
Hey.
hey, hey. It's
Hold on.
Oh yeah, you're good.
You want to coin flip $100? For fun? For fun.
Sure.
$100? You want to throw or do you want me to throw?
50, 0, 100 or?
Yeah. Just one of us gonna get $100 from the other person. You want to do it? You want to throw or do you want me to throw? I throw.
That's just straight up gambling. This guy is, get this man a helpline. My God.
I remember you printing on that guy with the blazing
You
in
go to
Vegas.
sleep, you think about coin flips, I bet.
So do you.
You have a coin on your bedroom ceiling.
So do you.
And it just fucking flips.
All right, I'm running low. All right, ready? I throw, you call. $100.
Yep.
Cash, Dylan. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait.
You can do it again.
Wow, he lets me run it back even though it was tails. All right, ready? That was not fair. It's like slipped out of my hand. Ready?
Tails.
3. You going tails? You deserved it. You just printed on me.
Twice.